Welcome back. My name is Amir and this is part 9 of the Chess with React. In this part we're going to move the king. The king can move one in every direction. So if I go to my helper here and say that this king is at this position, so this king can move to here, 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 and here. And the other rules are valid. So if there is a white, right, for example, white queen here, then this king cannot move and capture its own piece. So there is a castling move that we will cover that later on, but for now we're only focusing on the moving one in every direction. So let's go and implement that. I would go here to my get moves. Let's grab, like, for example, the bishop moves and write something similar. So I would say that get king moves. I need to know about the moves, I need to know about the us, but I don't care about the enemy for now. And the directions are like so. So I would say like 1 and -1, then 1 and 0, and 1 and 1, like so. 0 -1. I don't want this. Let's say 0 and 1. And here is -1 -1, -1 0, and -1 -1. And here is where the king lives. So I write it like this. Okay, so now for every direction we don't need to go more than one spot ahead, so there is no need for the for loop here. The x and y are correct, and let's do this part in one go. So I would say that if that position is not undefined, so that position exists, we are not going off bound, and that position of x and y, which is a valid position, and if that position is not starting with us, so it's not one of our own pieces, then I would say that you can go to that spot. And here I don't want to know about the I because there is no I here. We're just adding to the direction like so, and in the end we would return the moves as we did. So let's go here and do something similar. So if this ends with a king, k, which is a king, then I need to know about the king moves like so. Let's go here, refresh, and I can move to these locations. Lovely. Here I can only move to 3 locations. Here I should be able to move to 6, so these 3 and these 3, and yes, it's working awesome. So yeah, this was about the basic king move, not about the castling, but we will cover that in the later videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next part.